Hey everyone, for Market Minutes today, we're going to look at FSM stock, Fortuna Mining. This is another gold miner. They do a little bit of silver too, but it's mainly gold. They started out mining silver and now it's like 95% gold. So this kind of is on the theme of gold rising, and if gold will continue to rise. That's what this is all contingent upon, is if gold will continue to rise. I personally think that it will. I don't see any reason in the macro environment why it would stop rising. But we'll see. So take that. That's the biggest risk with this stock just right off the bat, is that if gold crashes, goes down to 4,000, 3,500, something like that, then this is, that changes everything for this company. But this one, I think they have 3 mines in 3 different countries, kind of a smaller junior miner. And let's look at their financials. So this was on February 18th, I think. Let's just ask this real quick. What price was FSM selling according to the last earnings? Okay, so they were selling gold at 4,160 per ounce. Right now, gold's at about 5,000. So note with that, as we're looking at all this, gold is now $850 higher, and every day that it's that, FSM is selling gold at that price. So just know that. So at 4,100 gold, this is what their margins were. So sales, cost of sales, you're looking at a gross margin of about 50%. G&A went up about 25, 30%. This is the same. What is this? Okay. They did a reversal of their impairment. That's interesting. So no, this is a one-time thing, this reversal of impairment. So if it weren't for this, their operating expenses actually would have been almost doubled. So keep that in mind. But the operating income was still really good. 408. That's really good. Okay, and then taxes, and then here's their net income. So that's really good. No, this does change things a little bit. But this is great. Earnings per share 88 cents. That's great. Let's look at, I'm just looking for debt, really. Debt is not significant. That's half of what they made. So not worried about that. Some deferred tax liabilities. Okay, so not a lot of debt. Okay, that's not bad. Let's see. What is the current ratio of 12 to 14. Okay, so this is nice. Sure. It's asking if we can compare the valuation of other gold miners. Well, so Newmont higher, higher, AM higher. Mid tier. Never mind. Yeah, I think, well, I should say this. If you think that gold will stay around 5,000, I think this is a buy. P ratio. Yep, look at this. They're saying buy. I think around now would not be a bad time to buy. This is kind of a dip. I mean, if gold's been going up and this has been pretty flat for the past 3 months, I think this is I would buy this. I believe gold will keep going up. So this one's kind of interesting if you're looking for a gold miner. And speaking of which, just see, yeah, gold's just hanging out right around here. And I don't know what it's gonna do, but don't buy FSM if you don't believe in gold staying elevated or going higher. I think it could drop to 4,500 and still be fine. As you could see, that earnings that we just looked at, they were selling gold at 4,200 ish. But just know that for that one. So there you go. There's